We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing our customer took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for us and them. Each review like this is like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.